Your family might want to get out of a certain service subscription, or maybe there's a fight going on. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop sharing subscriptions with family on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight to the settings app on our phone. So just open that. And from here, click on your name at the very top of the settings page. And this is where you can see many options that you can check. So what we're going to do is to click on the subscriptions option right here. And from on this page, you can actually see the subscriptions that you have made on certain services. So I actually don't have any subscriptions on my phone, but here you can see a share with family option. So if you have any subscriptions, you can turn this toggle off to stop it sharing with them. So eligible subscription will automatically be shared with your family. So we need to turn that off because we want to stop sharing subscriptions with our family. So just click on this toggle button to have it turn gray. And let's go back to the page. And we can also click on this family sharing option right here. And then you can also see the shared subscriptions. And when you click on that, you can see more details about that. And you can just click on that to customize who to remove from the certain subscriptions. So that is how you can basically stop sharing subscriptions with family on iPhone. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.